Hey, time travelers. Oh, I already prepped for this scene. Sorry, unlocked. Durr. I have to show you what I'm dealing with my car this week that I've been putting off. Cobwebs. Ugh. I'm also been obsessed with this game lately. Ooh, join the battle. Sweet. That's also part of this video, how I've been doing nothing but this game a lot. Swipe, 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 swipe. Join.
This is my look of disapproval.
Finally got people to move around the map and follow each other so they can join together in fighting the bosses that are actually out there. Ugh. But, see how my car is kind of smashed over here? Hold on. Oh, they're attacking now. Whatever's. You know, I got the car wrecked, right? And it looks kind of horrible and smashed, and I can't drive it. But, sometimes mechanics, when they work on my car, they're like, I can't start it. And I'm like, you have to reach your hand through the steering wheel and pull the shifter and start it with the other hand. And, well, sometimes you can't turn it off, too. Stay looking at me, camera. Don't look it up there. I'm over here. Well, the tow truck guy who brought it back from the frame shop, who can actually work on my car, but I just sent it there so that he could look at it and see if he could do it. The tow truck guy, he broke my starter cylinder the rest of the way. It was already broken. But hold on, let me show you. Wait, I should have thought this through. Till I haven't gotten into my car in the garage for a while. So, this whole week I've been on vacation, and I've been obsessively playing this game. This game started out as a way to relieve stress at work between tickets. Someone yells at me, and I freak out and I want to eat sugar. Well, this has resolved that, but this is one of those games that you literally have to play 24/7 in order to get ahead. But let's change the subject a little bit and talk about what's going on with the car and what I have to fix. All right, got a box of things here. Well, this is the first thing, really the first thing. And I have to watch videos to learn how to use it. Focus! I said focus! Focus on the thing. Okay, this is a steering wheel puller. And it's funny why they call it that. It's a lock plate remover, but people call it a steering wheel puller. You don't really pull the steering wheel. You take the steering wheel off, and then there's something behind here that has to be removed a funky way. Obviously, I'm going to be doing that in a future video. And I'll explain why. The main reason is because of the start cylinder. And I can't show you because I forgot to bring out the keys. Dang it! Cobwebs and leaves and things. I need to clean my garage. It's in a lock position, okay? You put in the key, and you can get out of the lock position, and then you can remove the key. It's always been like that ever since I bought the car in 2009. It was fine, because I would put the key in my pocket and be like, well, I won't forget my keys in my car, because they're in my pocket. But that also means that the inside of this thing is busted. And, like, now I can't turn it off. And that was the problem that the tow truck guy was having, and he got it to turn off by forcing it to where it was stuck way past the lock position, and it was stuck way over here. Let's see if I can show you how to do this. I don't have 3 hands. All right, gimbal. You balance on the car seat, and you no fall down. Okay, please? You put your hand through here, and you do this. Then you can turn it off. But there's the lock position, and he messed it up so that you can get the key way back over there. So, that's not this. This is something else. Hold on. Where are you? There it is. There's the lock, whatever it's called. Start cylinder. Okay, lock cylinder. It literally says lock cylinder on the box. Shows what I know. And see? It even comes with the key. Comes with a key. This is a new one. So it should properly work. But how it works is you turn it and when it turns, it pushes on a rod somehow. I think this thing turns and pushes. We'll see later in a future video. The rod is inside of the steering column, I assume, and goes down and pushes a switch down there where those wires plug in, which are, you know, way down there or whatever. And this thing, I'm also replacing while I'm at it in case there's something wrong with it. There might not be, but I'm doing it just to be sure. Stops to play the game. Oh, I missed a Ymer. This person's been fighting Ymers all day, and they give you super loot with lots of like speed ups to build up your city and stuff. And I missed one because I was going blah 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 about the car. But just more important, Robert, could hear other me in my head right now. You're right, other me. It's more important that you work on your car than play that game. Now what's this other box in a box? That's a big one. Yeah, don't fall down, Gimbal. You're filming this scene. Come out. Box in a box. That is a blower motor. Literally a month before my car broke down, the blower motor went out. I didn't mind because it was the end of the summer, it was the fall, and I was putting off fixing it. Looks like this. And it spins around and you can't really see it, but it spins around and pushes air and stuff. Why I was putting off fixing it is because you have to take the whole right wheel off and then take the fender skirt out, which is the thing that goes inside of the fender. Then you could reach up and it's really easily accessible, but the fender skirt itself takes like an hour to get off and 2.5 hours to get on. At least the last time I did this job. You're saying, what, Rob? The thing broke again? Well, actually, I didn't need to replace it that last time. It was something else and I was wrong because after I changed it, it was still not working and giving me troubles. It's hard to do with the gimbal in my hand. Dang it. It was the whole time that I did that job before, it was just a fuse. Live and learn. Why would I not think to check the fuse? Toss back in the, and when, toss more carefully. Also toss carefully. And toss. And toss. So this game I've been obsessively playing is called Evony, The King's Return. I'm actually going to do a video on it that was going to come out this week, but since I've been obsessively playing this game, I couldn't do a video about this game. Yeah, it's kind of sus.
Kinda sus.
So that's basically why I haven't had a video come out earlier this week like I normally do. Just because I've been on vacation and also obsessively playing this game, which now that I think about it, has probably been in my pocket for too long. Okay, attack random things. Yeah, and get my general all set up. March. Attack another random thing. Gotta farm, gotta do things. So, if you would like to see me tinker on my car, that's definitely gonna be coming out in future videos. I think I'm gonna split it up into 3 or 4 videos. Tell me what you think. One video about our start cylinder, whatever you wanna call it, the actual start switch that I have to change on the bottom steering column. And I forgot to mention it. It's in there, it's all locked up. Turn signal switch. My turn signal is actually broken because for years I thought, okay, you click it, it clicks back. All that clicking is gonna break down inside, so I thought I would just hold it whenever I turn because car's like 40 plus years old, right? Yeah, math. But me doing that actually is what broke it, and it won't stay, so now I have to hold it if I want the turn signal on. Sigh. So might as well do that while I have the steering column taken apart, whatever. And now, enjoy this random thing. This random thing actually comes from my friend Hank, and if you're watching this video, thank you for sending it to me. And it's actually a picture from a Mars rover, I think. The image was taken by mass camera on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity on the 7th of this month. And it kind of looks like a doorway frame in the side of a cliff or a mountain or something. On Mars. And now, dad joke time. My dad sent me this dad joke from Casual Christian Comedy 2 on Facebook, and it's McCoy and Spock, and Spock says, one of the crewmen is shrinking rapidly. He needs to be examined immediately, doctor. And McCoy says, he's going to have to learn to be a little patient. Get it? Oh wait, I've been away from the game too long. I don't want to miss any yimmers. Sign. Oh good, I got one. Yeah. So, a little awkward, but since it's awkward end screen time anyway, why don't you click over here to see this video so that you can see all the stuff that's wrong with the body on my car and you can pick on me? Like one person picked on me and said, that's all the stuff you did to your car? Click down here to see whatever YouTube thinks is best video that's on my channel, which because they choose from algorithms, whatever they think you might like. You can subscribe to my channel right, and you can check out the music that I make for my channel right over here. Thanks for watching, bye. Go obsess with this game some more.